You have probably heard people say, just start any business and money will come. That is a lie. That is a very big lie. In Nigeria, if you enter the wrong business without proper knowledge, you will regret it. You will regret it, you will cry. So today I'm exposing 6 businesses that will drain your money if you do not have experience or a clear strategy. I'm going to disclaimer, it's not that this business does not work, but the condition here is that if you don't have experience, if you don't have good strategy, if you don't have good backup, you're going to flop in this business. So watch this video to the end to learn these 6 businesses and avoid them if you don't have experience to do them. Hi, my name is Rita Onoha, and I'm making this video because I have seen too many people lose their life savings chasing the wrong businesses. These 6 businesses are popular, but trust me, they are trap if you don't approach them the right way. So let's get started. Number one business is a provision business, except wholesale. Everybody thinks opening a provision store is a sure way to daily cash flow, but that is not the truth. Retail provision business has become crowded, and moreover, because it's a business, the biscuit you're selling might end up using 90 naira to sell 1 carton of biscuit, and inside that biscuit, your children will still come and tell you, "Mommy, I'm hungry." You still take out from the biscuit and give to them. Tomorrow there's those spaghetti in the house, you take from the shop and go and eat first. So e say that you be eating from your profit, you be eating from your capital, and moreover, supermarkets, malls, or even wholesalers are selling cheaper, so cutting smaller retailers out of the game. I can't remember last time I go to street to go and buy something. I always buy it at the wholesale shop where it will be cheaper for me. So the profit margin here is very small. Sometimes you can use 50 naira or even 100 naira to sell an item. By the time you pay rent, you pay electric bill, you manage stock losses, you find yourself running out of loss. Unless you are selling in bulk as a wholesaler, avoid this business by all means. I mean it. Number 2 business you can avoid without experience is poultry business. Poultry farming is hyped a lot. People make it look like you just buy chick, feed them, and boom, the money. That is far from it. That is far from reality. Poultry is a technical business ranging from disease outbreak to poor feeding quality to lack of vaccination knowledge, or even your staff or even your security men. They can in the night sell off your fowl and tell you that somebody stole it. So they can kill one and take it home and go and eat. So there's a lot of things that is required in this business. Unless you have a hands-on experience and you are running it by yourself, that's the only way I would advise you to start this business. And also, feeds are expensive. If you don't have a ready market to buy your birds or eggs, you will struggle to make profits. My advice is, don't go into poultry farming without hands-on training or even a mentor that will guide you, so that you not waste your money to business that will not yield any profit for you. Number 3 of the business is POS business. POS business is overcrowded and is highly risky. Alright, so POS business used to be a good mile. Now every street, every junction has up to 5 to 10 POS agents. The competition is stiff. The commission are very small per transaction. Money point will collect theirs, Opay will collect theirs, and sometimes you might even reduce your charges just to make sales. So the biggest problem also is the security, the fraudsters, the fake alert, the robbery attack, and the stress in managing cash daily. Let's assume you have someone that gives you cash at the end of the day. It's also risky for you to take it home. Anything can happen. You can be attacked. If somebody shows your sales girl put something like this on her head, she will surrender everything and the capital for that business is gone. So unless you have a very high traffic location with tight security, POS business is not as sweet as it used to be. So you have to be very careful, monitor the surrounding, and who also trusted person that can run the business for you. Number 4 business is barbing salon without skill or skilled workers. Barbing salon looks simple but is skill based. If you can't cut hair by yourself, you will need to hire high skilled barber. And trust me, managing barbers isn't easy. Many will leave after building their customers, and they will not, and if you are not skilled, customers won't return. So it's very difficult to manage these people. They can gather all your customers, go open their own and pack your customers to their end. So setting up barbing salon also requires quality equipment and also in a good location. These are factors that you need to look into if at all you must do this business. If you lack experience in this industry, stay away from it. And it is a must that if it's a must that you must do it, then go for partnership. Partner with those who knows the business. It's easier you share profits than you lose everything. So do your background check and make sure you're equipped before you can start this business. I know you are getting value in this video. I want you to share this video to your 5 friends and subscribe to this video. I'm waiting for you to click the subscription button. Then we'll conclude with the remaining 2 of this video. Thank you for subscribing. The 5th business you should avoid is transport business, be it keke, okada, cab, or even trucks. Transport business sounds like quick daily income. Yes, there is money in that business, but if it is one of the most stressful business to manage, ranging from drivers' misbehavior and mismanagement of your vehicle, repairing and also maintaining is high, is expensive, and road accidents are unpredictable. You can get a vehicle today, tomorrow the vehicle will have accident, either everything is lost or you end up paying mechanic to put it back in order. So if you're not ready to manage drivers strictly, or you don't have trusted hands, you will keep spending more money in fixing these vehicles and end up with little or no capital. If the driver cannot be trusted, they will tell you the motor is broke down, or that has happened. Why they're using the vehicle to make money? Or if you must do this business, you must have trackers in them to monitor their movement. And the worst of it all is truck. Truck gives a whole lot of money, but is very, very hard to manage. Repairing truck is very expensive. So these are the factors you should look into before verging into this business. If you cannot manage them strictly, don't waste your money. Number 6 business, which is the last I'll be talking about in this video, is food business. Food business is always in demand, but it is not for everybody. It's not that you cook indomie in your house is sweet. Tomorrow you open up eateries that you want to cook, that you're a very good cook. It requires more than knowing how to cook. You wouldn't want to start a business where tomorrow this person is complaining of how your customer is being served, how your workers are treating them. There are a lot of things to know when you want to do this food business. You need to understand kitchen management. You need to have hygiene standard. You need to source quality ingredients and managing your staff if you have a restaurant. You wouldn't want to cook a food that wouldn't want to cook food that people, after they finish eating, they will start running to the private to the toilets. So it goes beyond being a good cook. There are a lot of things that is involved. So without proper experience, you will struggle with wastage. You also struggle with poor customer services, and at the end, you have low profit margin due to hidden costs. So food business is highly profitable, but not for a beginner. A beginner cannot just venture into this business without training. So you need to undergo through proper mentorship, or you have hands-on experience before you can do this business, or even invest it for people to run it for you. It's a very delicate business because human beings are involved. So before you go into this business, do your underground checking. Make sure you have the experience that is required so that you now have long story to tell. So let's cap it up. Provision retails, which is when you're not selling wholesale, your poultry business without experience or training, POS business, barbing salon without skill, transport business and food business without experience. These businesses are not bad, but they are money trap if you rush into them blindly. So, business is not a guesswork. If you lack experience, start small, you learn, or you choose businesses that do not require heavy capital and daily stress. In my next video, I'll be sharing 20 simple businesses you can start in Nigeria with small capital and low risk. So if you don't want to miss this video, kindly subscribe to this video, share and also like so that you get to other people's, and stay glued to my page because I have you covered for any business you think you want to do in Nigeria. Till I come your way again, see you, and don't forget to watch this video to the end. And if you have watched to this point, thank you very much for your motivation, the likes and your comments. Bye.